Hello, dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe. Till today, we have revised some invertebrate phylums from paper 1. Today, I am going to discuss syllabus for paper 3. The title of this paper is Mammalian Histology, Basic Toxicology, General Pathology and Biostatistics. In first unit, you are going to learn mammalian histology. This unit will make you familiarize with cellular architecture of the various organs of the body. Also, you will understand the need and importance of different types of tissues in vital organs and their functions. In this unit, you are going to learn histology of skin. Layers like epidermis, dermis, different skin receptors, different glands embedded in skin and their functions, etc. Also, you are going to learn histology of the most important and interesting system, that is digestive system. In this subunit, you will learn histology of tooth, tongue, different taste buds and their position on the tongue, etc. This unit will also deal with histology of alimentary canal, in which you will study TS of stomach, small intestine, large intestine of mammal. Digestive system is also associated with digestive glands. So, we will discuss TS of salivary gland and liver. Next unit is the toxicology. Toxicology is very interesting unit of paper 3, sorry. This unit will develop your interest in understanding different areas of toxicology. This unit will also develop your thinking and assist you in preparation for employment in pharmaceutical industries and related areas. In this unit, you will study history, principle and scope of toxicology. Also, you will study different plant and animal toxins and how they affect the human beings. This unit also deals with the toxic substances, how toxic substances enter into your body, which are the target organs, what reactions and mechanisms occur in specific target organs, and to which extent these toxicants damage the living cells or tissue of organism. In this unit, you are going to learn interesting concept of lethal doses, dose response relationships, safety factors, etc. This unit will also deal with different hepatotoxicants, neurotoxicants, nephrotoxicants, their impact on particular organs or systems. Lastly, we are going to discuss regulatory guidelines related toxicology. General pathology is the third unit. In this unit, you are going to learn about basics of general pathology. This unit will also make you familiarize with various medical terminology related to pathological conditions of the body caused due to diseases. This unit deals with the scope of general pathology, mechanisms of cell injury and different changes that occur due to cell injury. This unit will also deal with pigmentation disorders, then necrosis and its types and different types of gangrene. Last unit makes you familiar with the biostatistics, an important tool of analysis and its application. This unit deals with the probability, distribution, probability distributions, measures of variation like standard error, standard deviation, types of hypothesis, how to state hypothesis, um, then how to confirm hypothesis, etc. Important and interesting part of this unit is learning parametric tests, parametric and non-parametric tests, their scope and applications. So, this is about the syllabus you are going to learn for this semester 5 for paper 3. So, thank you. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning.